Holly got some presents. What'd you get, Holly? What is that? Let's see what that says, should we? It says, Holly, here are some biscuits we had Mom make for you for our friends. Merry Christmas, Maya, Marie, and Missy. Ooh. What do you think of that? Can you reach in there and get one? Can you get it? I know you can. Oh. Are those yummy? Would you like to share? Here's one for Kona. What do you think? That's the wrong end. Yeah, try that end. Come on, you can do it. I know you can. I won't take it. Here, there you go. Wait, okay, now we don't want to eat them all. Give Kona one. Abby, you want a cookie? Good girl. I think she's decided to eat them all. You're crunching them through the bag. Okay, that's enough. Okay, maybe not. Boo. Boo, give those to Mommy. Say thank you, Maya Marie. Thank you, Maya Marie. Thank you for the cookies. Holly, say thank you.